Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can set up a Google Chrome browser background as a GIF, as you can see here, and it works in any device, Mac, Windows 10 or others, because the process will be pretty much the same. Alright, so just go on, the first step is to go on google.com and you need to find a GIF, and the best way for you to do that, as you can see here on a top right corner, there is image button. You need to press on that, and then you need to write basically the keyword of the GIF that you want to have. So for example, sunset. And then the next step, what you need to do here is, as you can see here, there is tools button. You need to press on that, and then you need to press on type and sort it out by GIF. And here, as you can see here, there is a lot of GIFs with a sunset. All right, so select that you prefer, and then you need to basically right click on the image, save image as, and then on the end you need to write .png. all right, so let's do it like this, 1.png. and once the image is saved to your computer, the next step, what you need to do here is to open new tab. And then, as you can see here on the bottom right, there is little pencil. You need to press on that, and then press on upload from device here, and then find a GIF that you want to use. Press open, and as you can see here, that's how you can basically set up GIF background in your Google Chrome browser. Alright, so if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.